Let's do my little rap before we dip. Real magic queen with a dope attitude. What did I say? What did I say? Oh, real magic queen with a dope attitude. That in my way, I'll tell it, gotta move. Anique and a K right here on YouTube. Watching my videos, I'll show you what to do. Let's start the video.
I cut all that talking, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique NK. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back, sis, sir. Appreciate you. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you do like the content here on this channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. So, since my little intro was doing so much, we're just gonna get straight into the weekly check-in because anybody got no time to be waiting. Okay, so weekly check-in. So this week is the 19th to the 23rd, which is this little baby right here. Okay, it's cute or whatever. But before we start, I was doing this challenge this week with Finance Rocks, and it's a no spend challenge for 5 days. But I don't really know if I lasted 5 days, so I might have messed up, girl. I thought I was on it with you, but I might have messed up, and I can't find the receipt to verify. So it is what it is. I went 4 days though. Does that count? Please. Anyways, let's get into the check-ins. So the first thing I bought was 4 things on the 19th, which is a lie. It just, like, my bank account processed on the 19th, and I ain't got the receipt, and I'm about to look for them. But my bank account, they processed on the 19th. So, okay. So the first thing was spending money. And I know I bought this on Saturday. I definitely for a fact know I bought this on Saturday because, okay, Saturdays are usually my days when I use shuttle, and that's when I don't feel like cooking. So I know I bought this on Saturday, but it processed on the 19th. But it was, as always, Tiba's, my favorite chicken spot here in South Korea, and that was $16.93, 7 cents. It was actually Friday because I bought it when I was getting my hair done. See, I'm telling y'all, they trying to play me, make it seem like I wasn't with the program, but I was. It was Saturday, it was Friday night because I was getting my hair done, and I knew I was going to be home in time to cook. Your girl was hungry. Okay, so I bought Tiba's from Shuttle, and yeah, see, be playing me, but I know, guys. So that was $16.93. 7 cents towards saving. That's a total of $17. Groceries, I bought this on Saturday. I bought food, which came up to $117.94. 6 cents went towards saving. $118 total. Then clothing, I feel like I bought this on Saturday too. Like, Saturday just felt like it was my weekday. Oh, guys, can we talk about it? Please, let me talk about it. One day I'll get to the point where I don't need to check my bank account that often. Just know, like, boom, little baby, go spend it. You got it. You a boss. But for right now, little baby's still going through it. She's still learning. I still have my moments, guys. Like, yeah. But like I said, for clothing on the 19th, I feel like this was Saturday, but it processed on the 19th. But I bought Fashion Nova. I know, support small businesses, but I ain't got the jeans that fit me. Fashion Nova does, so that's what we have to go with. That was $67.96. 4 cents towards savings. That's a total of $68. Then I bought Taco Bell. I felt this one was on Friday day. I felt this was, I'm telling y'all, I feel like this is on Friday. I feel like my bank account is playing me. If I find it, I'll put a little thing in the video right here. But spending money, I bought Taco Bell on Friday as the bank account sent on the 19th. That was $7 total. Since it's an even number, nothing goes towards saving. $7 overall. Then on the 20th, I took $1 from miscellaneous. My friend, so we over here in Korea, we quarantined, and so she was in quarantine. Sis was hungry, okay. She gave me some money for something, but it was short, and I wasn't gonna ask her for the difference. It was only $1, so I just took it from my miscellaneous. Nothing goes towards savings, so that's $1 from there. Then this smoothie, see, this is what I'm saying, okay. I feel like I'm being played, but I'm gonna find my receipt because the baby knows that she did not spend this week, and I'm gonna make sure. Anyways, I should not be this hype about it. But the smoothie was $5.60. 40 cents is going towards saving. That's a total of $6. Then on the 23rd, yes, on that Friday I did buy groceries. So that's my other question, Finance Rocks. Is me buying grocery like make me lose the challenge? Because I feel like grocery is an essential and that shouldn't be a part of the challenge. I feel like I should still, win the challenge for not spending any money, like any of my spending money, any going out money. I feel like that should be what I should, not have won, but I still should like complete the challenge. Like, let me know, sis. What is wrong with me? Anyways, so I bought groceries for the upcoming week, which is $40.61. 39 cents is going towards savings, and that's a total of $41. Then I used the household category. I bought foil for the house because my foil was finishing, so I bought new foil. That was for $7.35. I'm a person, I buy the big one because I'm not buying something multiple times, okay? Just buy the big one so it lasts forever, so we ain't got this problem. So that's what I did, and it was $7.35. 65 cents goes towards savings. That's a total of $8. Now I did not calculate up this amount and savings in total, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna calculate up everything, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let y'all know what's up. Okay guys, so I calculated everything, right? So for my amount, I have $264.39 as what I spend for the week. Then for my savings, I have $1. I almost said 100. That would have been cute either way. But I have $1.61 that is in my savings. Then for total for the week that I spent overall is $266. So now we are going to do the bank deposit portion. We're going to slide down, do the bank deposit portion, and hopefully guys, I got it together this week. So my girl, what is wrong with me? Okay, there it goes. I just threw away the whole pen, y'all. Bank deposit for the week is $266 because like I said, nothing is green, nothing was paid in cash, everything was used paying the credit card. So we're gonna pay the total amount for the week to put it in the bank to pay a portion to the credit card. Then credit card payment this week will be $264.39. Then saving deposit will be $1.61. My credit card balance as of this week is $735.32. If you are looking at this and you're like, sis, $700, you only spend $266 of the week. Yep, that's right. I am being trash, guys. I have not paid my bill from last week. That is why I still have a balance of $735.32 right now, because I haven't paid my bill from last week. And the money, it's not like the money is not in the account. The money is in the account. I just haven't paid it. I know what's up. I know what's good. Then let me y'all, then my credit card company think, they gonna get some of the interest off me or something, because they was like, oh, girl, you have a minimum payment of $20. Ma'am, sir, not in this household. We don't do interest. So we gonna stuff these cash envelopes and y'all, because I only have clothing from sinking funds envelope that's coming out. Everything else will be just from the regular cash envelope, cash envelopes. But for my sinking fund cash envelope, clothing is losing money. And so, where are you now, little baby? Don't be hiding. Oh, there it goes. So I'm going to take out $68 from clothing, which I don't think it has changed. It sure don't. So we're going to try again. We're going to come back. So we're going to start off with regular cash envelopes because that ain't got the Monties yet. So obviously I didn't learn from last week. Apparently not. So let's start off. We are going to remove, so groceries is first. So groceries, that's $118 coming out plus 41. So that's a total of $159 that's coming out of $159. Okay, $159 is coming out of groceries. That's fine. It ain't none of my business. I'm within budget and cash envelope. So 50, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50. What did I say? 159. That's what 50. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is $159. Leave me with $41. So I might be moving $41 onto next month's cash stuffing, guys. Yeah. Okay, so nothing from Car Fuel, not Stella in France, not hair care, she empty. Not toiletries. Household is losing the $8. So we are going to do a 10, and we're going to take out 2 ones out of here. You know, I try to keep as much of my like smaller bills as possible because little baby will be, you know, I will need them in the future. So that's what your girl tries to do. So that's household, which is good. Spending money is next. Spending money is losing 17. Oh, she losing a lot. Let me. 17 plus 7 plus 6. $30. Oh, let me not call Lord's name in vain. Oh, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. She losing a lot. Sheesh. Oh, what is it? $6? $6 is what I got left. One more week though, one more week. Okay, so that's spending money. Going out isn't losing anything. YouTube isn't losing anything. Miscellaneous is losing $1. That's cute. Small business is still full because I haven't found anybody for my December kit, and it's really hurting my heart. I haven't found what I like for my December, so it's really hurting my heart, guys. Really is. No health, no budget and buys. Okay, so I just need to take the funds now from clothing. So I needed $68 from clothing. It's in the back. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to take out, so 2 50s. I need 68. So $32. So that's 20. That's 30. That's 31 and 32. All right. Yes. You can go there. This is 32, right? 68 plus 32, 2, that's 70, 10, 80. Yep. 32. Okay. So we're just going to put this back in here. Ooh, go. For the remainder of what's in clothing. All right, and then close that up. So now we're just gonna count over and see what we have in cash to make sure we have, you know, $266, because that's what we're supposed to have for the week. Okay. $266, that's what we're supposed to have. So this is 50, 100, 150, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 255, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, and 266, baby. We are G2G. 266. That is what your girl has. That's what she's supposed to have. Okay, that is our weekly check-in, guys. Anyways, I'm putting my notes right now, and then we can close out the video in a second. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. Also, if you do enjoy the content on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is somewhere, one of these places. I don't know, honestly. And yeah, guys, if you want to check out some other videos on my channel, just click my channel name and it will take you there. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique NAK, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.